Today we're going to learn how to make easy banana muffins. First you have your butter, you add some sugar, you add some brown sugar, you add some of this brown squishy stuff here. Then you put it in your blender. You mix it all up. Do it super fast. Okay, good. That should actually take about 5 minutes. And then you mix it all up, make sure it's in there good, and then swirl it around a little bit more. Okay, that's good. That should have been about another 5 minutes. At this point, it should be the consistency of peanut butter. You throw a banana in there, put it back in the blender, then you get it spinning again. Here we go. And then let's do that on hyperspeed. Ready? Get set, and go. Alright, that's what I like to see. Okay. Then you pull it out, and it should have the consistency of poop and sound like stirring macaroni and cheese. Then you put it back in the blender and put it on hyperspeed again. Get all the rest of your ingredients ready. Then you're going to pour some salt, some other white stuff, some more white stuff, then some brown stuff, all into the flour, and you're going to mix it around with your beater. And I don't mean your car. So once you get that nice and sort of mixed, you go ahead and wipe your fingers off and you turn on the beater. Imagine that you're putting oil in it. Then turn the beater on high again, super speed, until it looks like that. Then you put a little bit of flour in it. Go ahead and get it mixing around. This is going to keep the rest of the flour from splattering. Then you're going to slowly beat your eggs into the mixture. You're going to turn up the speed a little bit. And then, once that's done, you got all your eggs in there, you're going to put your flour mixture into the bowl. But first you need to turn it. So you want to flip it around, stir it, make sure all that original powder is mixed in there. Excuse me, the original flour. Then you want to go ahead and dump the rest of the flour into the mix. That way it's not flying all over the place. And you're going to put it on mix again, turn it on hyperspeed for about 3 minutes. Actually, I think that one was about 45 seconds. Then you're going to go ahead and wipe off all the stuff. Probably should have sped that part up because that part's kind of boring. But then you want to turn it some more. Make sure you get that stuff nice and mixed in there. Scrape off the sides, get all the flour off the sides. And then you want to put it right back up on the mixer. Then go get your pans, spray them down with some spray oil, or you could smear butter in there or something. It's really up to you. Then you want to go ahead and scoop out 1 ice cream scoop full of muffin mix. You put that in there, and then poof, the rest of them just magically appear. Then switch out the pans. Spray just enough for how much you think you're going to have left over. And then you repeat the process. You go ahead and put 1 in there, and then poof, the rest of them just magically appear. You finish out the last couple, and you're almost off to the races. As soon as this is ready, you're going to be able to put that into your oven. As soon as you finish with this part here, that takes a while because you got to make sure you get every last drop. You don't want to waste any of that delicious muffin mix. Then you go ahead and bake it, flip it over. Excuse me. And then flip the next one over. Turn one, the rest of them turn by themselves, and break it in half. Thank you for coming to see my delicious, easy banana muffins. Please like and subscribe.